Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by inspecting the charger and watch connector for visible damage. Do this carefully and under good light. Once done, plug the adapter into a known good outlet and use a multimeter to read voltage at the plug. This confirms whether power reaches the cable. If voltage is absent or unstable, you'll replace the adapter or cable. If it's stable, you move on to testing the magnetic puck and connector pins for debris or corrosion because those block charging. Now you clean the contact surfaces to restore conductivity. Use 90% plus isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush, then dry fully. This removes oils and corrosion. Make sure the magnetic puck aligns precisely with the watch's charging pads. Misalignment prevents current flow. If cleaning doesn't help, swap in a verified working cable or puck to isolate whether the cable, adapter, or puck is faulty. Replace damaged pins or connectors. Doing so restores reliable contact and charging. You finish by reassembling and securing everything, then run a full charge cycle to confirm the issue is resolved. Monitor current and temperature while charging. If the watch stays unresponsive, check the watch's firmware and battery health diagnostics, because internal faults can mimic charger failure. Make sure to test with another power source and a known good charger. This single step often reveals whether the problem is the charger or the watch. If needed, recommend professional battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.